in 2010s actually, with all these political culture, with all these extreme tendencies, and then there is kind of obstacles against or between the organizations and between the cultures to know to each other. And I think it's important to overpass these obstacles. One of the important tools to pass such obstacles is to bring those people together so that they know each other individually. In our program actually, we have people from Greece, we have people from Denmark, we have people from Turkey, we have people from Germany, and we are bringing them together on similar topics actually, on similar concerns, so that's why they're working as volunteers in this field.
In Civil Society Exchange program, we have different kinds of organizations, be them social companies, associations or initiatives. All of these organizations have some organizational problems, internal organizational problems that they would like to talk about and maybe try to think and maybe solve throughout the process. We have different kinds of people in these organizations and we bring these people together.
Civil Society Exchange is a program which gives a lot of freedom to the partnerships. It means we provide a learning space where they can create whatever they want to in their partnerships. We have an opening meeting and a final meeting where all the participants get together, get input, a lot of energy and motivation, and then afterwards they are supported by our team, but they are really they can see what they want to do, how they want to meet, and what they need to strengthen the organizations.
The participants are engaging themselves in very different activities, like as study visits, job shadowing, some data collecting process. And they did some activities in the city center, community-based activities for raising awareness about volunteering.
The program is about learning. So in my experience, the learning happens when you have some ingredients that are first and foremost, a lot of freedom. You can, because you cannot plan what's going to be learned. And I think what we're doing in this program is we're providing that frame, and inside the frame is going to be a lot of freedom. It creates space for a lot of unintended effects, where people are actually free to discover. And I think that's, if you would have a more structured approach, that might get lost because you're focusing too much on intended effects and impacts.
We are aware and we know that these different kinds of learnings needs to be contained in the program. That's why our approach was to do it in a cycle in the program. This cycle, what we call is experiential learning cycle. They get together, know each other, try to plan, they do it in action, and from this action they learn, and then they think about it and reflect throughout this partnership, and hopefully the next action they do, they're going to change something according to the learnings from this previous one.
When the participants see other civil society organizations from other countries and from other backgrounds and circumstances, and they realize that they have similar problems as they have, they begin to realize that they're struggling for the same thing, and by that their motivation increases. Their motivation to work in the civil society field increases, and more importantly, their sense of isolation decreases.